guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Amanda, and for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys kind of a tutorial on how to do the dip. When I say dip, I mean nail dip in the nail powder. And I'm super excited to share this with you guys because it turned out so good, and I am obsessed with my nails, and I'm going to be saving so much money because I don't have to go to a salon to get my nails done anymore. So there are a lot of different nail dip companies out right now. I ordered originally from Rosie. Sad to say, was not impressed. I think I ordered it back in March. It is now, what, May 13th, May 12th. Still haven't received my package. Sad. But I ended up ordering a different kit off of Amazon, and I'm really excited about this one. Basically, this kit comes with 5 different colors, a base dip, which is kind of like a normal like nude dip kind of thing. I think you're supposed to dip your nails into that first before you put the color on. Anyway, so it comes with that, and then it also comes with a bonus glitter, which I wish they would have had that when I ordered my kit, but they didn't, sadly. But anyways, super exciting about that. All the ingredients in this kit were organic, which was kind of important to me because ideally I'm doing the dip versus the gel to be better on my nails. So obviously I'm going to want better ingredients if at all possible. So without further ado, let's just jump on into this DIY nail dip tutorial. Alright, once you have removed all of your old nail polish or dip or acrylic or whatever you're using, give your nails a nice buff to smooth out the surface, make sure they're all even. Looking good. And that's the hand I didn't do yet. I did this hand one at a time. So next I'm going to go in with the cuticle oil that came with the double dip kit. This cuticle oil smells so good, and it leaves my nails, the cuticles on my nails, feeling amazing. I do this before I do my polish and after my nails are complete, just to give it that finished look. But basically I am applying this cuticle oil for my nails so that I can push my cuticles back without hurting my skin too much. And then I like to rub in the cuticle oil just so it gives it a nice nourished, moisturized look. And then I'm gonna go wash my hands. Alright, so we're ready to start now. I'm a very visual learner, so I like to lay out all of the colors, all the different bottles I'm gonna be using, just so I know I'm gonna put them in order from what I'm gonna start with to what I'm gonna end with. The color I'm choosing is the color called Charlie's Angels, and it is a beautiful white color. And white just screams summer to me, so I was actually really excited about this color that it came in the box. And then that is the base dip. And I'm going to dip my nails in the base dip first after I put that first red base coat on my nails. It also comes with instructions, which I thought was really handy, that I really liked a lot. So first I am going to be going in with the dip base powder, and the red cap dip base is actually a really fast drying base, and so I'm going to do one finger at a time, make sure it's completely even. I'm going to dip it all the way in, and then it says to completely let it dry before using the brush to wipe it off. So I'm going to let that just chill for 30 seconds. And I'm doing a little dance to the music that you guys cannot hear in the background because of copywriting laws. I absolutely love this brush. I think it was a nice touch for them to add it to the kit. Next, I'm going to use my little tool to just trace around my nail to make sure there's no excess product along the sides. Okay, and then I end up doing the rest to the rest of my fingers, allowing that 30-second dry time in between before I wipe off the powder with the brush. I don't know what would happen if you didn't wait the 30 seconds, but this stuff is hard to remove, so I'd rather not find out. My guess would probably be that it makes it a bit uneven, and I'm also taking the tool with each time I wipe off to make sure that there's no excess along the cuticles, because it does dry pretty hard and it would be kind of difficult to remove. Okay, now I am gonna go in with Charlie's Angels, which is the beautiful white color that we are doing today. And a really important thing once you start the color process is you want to apply as thin of layers with that red cap dip base as possible, because the thicker you do, the thicker the product will come out. So you see me kind of dipping and like rubbing it on like the edges of the rim a lot. And since this is the color and since it is white and such a bright color, you want to make this as perfect as possible. With this, there are no limits. You can do as many coats of the dip as you want. I am only doing 2 because I want them to look kind of more thin versus it being thick. This powder is so messy, that's why I have that towel hanging out there. But try to apply the liquid red cap base coat as thin as possible, and make sure you get every inch of your nail, because if you do not get your entire nail, it will look chunky, and nobody wants chunky looking nails. Also, it is in the instructions to stir your powder before you use them. It kind of just makes it more fluffy, and you kind of want to dip your nails gently in there, otherwise you'll get like this weird ripple effect that I got on my thumb because I was being a little too rough. So make sure that you stir your powder before you use it. Once you've reached your desired thickness or dark color, whatever color you're trying to achieve, you're gonna go in with the applicator, which is the yellow cap. This, it soaks into your nails and I guess it kind of like sets it. It makes it hard. Basically, you're gonna do this to all of your fingers, and then we are going to file our hearts out and shape the nails that we want. Okay, once the applicator is done, the nails are gonna look a little chunky. They definitely need a file. So this is where you take your cute little file block and start making everything even. I would use the softer surface to kind of give it more of like a smoother finish. And with my normal nail file, I'm going to buff the sides to make it a little thinner and smoother and kind of clean up wherever the applicator ended up taking the polish. And I'm going to smooth out the ends of this. And then I'm going to give it one final smoothing buff for all of my nails just to make sure that they're feeling smooth and ready for that last top shiny coat. Okay, and then this step is my favorite. I'm now going to go in with the dip top, and it makes it gorgeous and shiny and giving it that salon finished look. And you're gonna go in with this twice, but both coats have to be completely dry before you can go in with that second coat. Overall, I give this product a 10 out of 10. I think it is super simple for beginners. I love that everything is color coded. I love that it comes with cuticle oil and all of the supplies you'll need to achieve this look. Absolutely recommend this product from Amazon. The brand is Double Dip, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it got you excited to do your own nails. I was super impressed with it. I absolutely love my nails. I don't know if I will ever go back to a salon. I just am obsessed. So good. And they have just such a good feel. I 100% recommend that brand from Amazon. I think they're amazing, and it shipped in like 3 days, which is amazing because when you want new nails, you need them ASAP. Also, it would mean the absolute world to me if you guys would consider subscribing. I post videos about affordable fashion, makeup, jewelry, all the things. So if you guys are into that, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the little bell icon so you do not miss a single upload. Also, I am on Instagram if you guys would like daily outfit inspiration. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next week. Bye guys!